Today guys, I show you how to reinstall and repair EA AntiCheat. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open Steam like me and make sure you download Skate game because it have EA AntiCheat. Or if you have FC25 or FC26, the process is same on your Epic Games and EA app. But also you can do on this way, it's the easy, on Steam. Download game Skate, it's about 12 GB. After installing game, just go on this gear and you will see here manage and move here to bronze local files and you will see this folder. Just move here up to installer. If you don't have this folder, also you can launch this installer too. Open installer, open EA AntiCheat and you will see also installer. Just run this and you will see this setup. In this first case, just click on it and choose your game, FC25, 26, or you do this fix, just like me with Skate. Choose like me and you will see now uninstall, update, repair. To repair AI AntiCheat, just click here repair and you will see this message. Go here OK, open local disk like me, move here program files x86, open it, find Steam like me, open this folder, scroll here down to Steam apps, open here common and find your game like me. After that just go here OK and wait for this. After finishing this you will see install success. Now we move here to uninstall. Click on it and wait for this and you will see uninstall success. After that just go now install and wait for this. And after finishing all you will see install success and you have EA Javelin AntiCheat on your system. And that's it all guys for this video, how to reinstall and repair EA Javelin AntiCheat. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.